right, everybody, we are back and ready for part 4. In the last section, we talked about not liking something and how we talked about liking an infinitive. So now we're going to look at this next one that says you don't like classes. So in this case, we are not liking something that's plural. So we're going to start with the sentence, the affirmative, and say te, because we're talking about you. Te gustan. Now, the reason we're doing gustan is because las clases is plural. So we have te gustan las clases, which is you like the classes. So this next thing we have to do, simply identify our indirect object pronoun. So in this sentence, our indirect object pronoun is te. And then once again, very simply, we're going to add no directly before it. So we have no te gustan las clases. And that means you don't like classes. Maybe we want to say we don't like winter. If we want to say we don't like winter, we're going to start by saying our affirmative. We want to say we like winter. So the we indirect object pronoun is nos. Winter is singular, so we're going to say nos gusta. Remember your definite article, el. And then we have invierno. Nos gusta el invierno. The next step is very, very simply, we identify our indirect object pronoun, our IOPN, and that's nos, and then we put our no right in front of it. So we have no. No nos gusta el invierno. Okay, our last negative sentence is going to be they don't like Monday. So we have to first off say they like Monday. Two correct ways to say this, because you could be talking about Monday in general, as in Mondays, or just one Monday. So you're going to start with les, and you're going to say les gusta el lunes. So this is if you're talking about one Monday. Or you can say les gustan los lunes, and that's if you're talking about Mondays in general. All right, so watch with me. We have les gustan los lunes. So both are correct. It just depends on what you want to be saying. All right, so in this case, we want to go back to our highlighter and identify our IOPN. In both of these, it's the same. It's les. And then we're not doing anything different. All we have to do is put our no or our negative word right before the IOPN. So you can say no les gusta el lunes or no les gustan los lunes. Completely up to you. All right, moving on to our next section. What if I want to know what someone else likes? The great news is this is also super easy. If you want to know what someone else likes, you're going to start with your original sentence. So in this case, if you want to say you like cheese, we've seen this before, right? We're going to just simply say te gusta el queso. Te gusta el queso. And then all you have to do is put a question mark. All you have to do is put a question mark. There we go. At the start and end. So let's see what that looks like. So you're going to put a question mark at the start and end. All right, so if we go up to my original sentence, te gusta el queso, watch, this is amazing. Question mark right there and question right there. And now this is probably the hardest part. You have to change the inflection of your voice. So change the inflection. So instead of making it the affirmative statement, te gusta el queso, you like cheese, all you have to say is, te gusta el queso? Do you like cheese? Okay. In our next video, we're going to take a look to see how exciting it is to understand Gustar and how else it can be used. So definitely you want to watch this one. Stay tuned.